Have you ever wondered why your hair isn't growing as fast or as healthy as you'd like? We're uncovering the surprising truth about the top 5 habits that could be holding your hair back. First up, sulfates. These guys are in a lot of shampoos. These strong detergents are great for removing dirt, oil, and product buildup. Sulfates are salts that form when sulfuric acid reacts with another chemical. Sulfates are considered safe, non-toxic, and biodegradable. So what's the problem? Well, while all that foamy lather gives you that squeaky clean feeling, they're also stripping your hair and scalp of its natural oils. Stripped of its natural oils, your hair can become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Switch to a sulfate-free shampoo to keep your hair happy and hydrated. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Next, let's talk towels. Did you know that using terry cloth or even microfiber towels can cause damage to your hair? That's because both terry cloth and microfiber towels have a large surface area. This makes them absorbent, but it also roughs up the hair cuticle, causing frizz and damage. You might want to try a gentler option like a soft cotton t-shirt or a cotton t-shirt hair towel for drying your hair. These alternatives have a very low surface area that reduce friction and minimize both frizz and breakage. Number 3 is silicone. Silicone creates a smooth, sleek surface, which makes hair look shinier and healthier. It reduces frizz and flyaways by sealing the hair cuticle. Sounds great, right? So why is it bad for your hair? Well, silicone builds up on the hair and scalp, forming a barrier that blocks the absorption of essential moisture and nutrients. This can make your hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Instead, give hair oil serums a try. Specifically, lightweight, sealing oils such as grapeseed and argan oil. These oils will function just like silicone, locking in the moisture and giving your hair that same shiny, frizz-free look, but with the added benefits of moisture and nutrients. Next up, not doing scalp massage. The scalp is where hair growth begins, so the condition of your scalp can determine the quality and quantity of your hair growth. Gently massage the scalp in circular motions, focusing on areas where you want to encourage hair growth. The massage action helps to increase circulation, which delivers more nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. Last but not least is skipping hair oiling. Skipping this step means missing out on major benefits. Hair oiling nourishes and hydrates your hair, preventing dryness and breakage. Just a few drops of your favorite hair oil can make your hair shinier, stronger, and more resilient. Once every week or two is all you need to notice the advantages of hair oiling. So there you have it. The surprising truth behind the habits that might be sabotaging your hair growth. Comment below if you've tried any of these tips and let us know your results. Check out the link in the description for our favorite products, including our 100% cotton t-shirt hair towels. Until next time, keep those strands healthy and happy.